Dear friends, welcome to Worldwide Vehicles. Today we are going to discuss about a fighter jet that is F-18 Super Hornet. It is the most versatile strike fighter jet. It is manufactured by USA and manufacturer is Boeing. Its price is $67.4 million. It has two turbofan engines. It consumes 22,000 pound-force of power to fly with a maximum speed of 1911 km per hour. Its travel range is 2,361 km. It can fly up to 50,000 feet in the sky. It covers 44,890 feet distance up in the sky in just 1 minute. It requires 300-meter distance to take off and 300-meter distance for landing. It can fly by carrying maximum load of 29,937 kg, but maximum payload on this jet is 8,050 kg. Fuel tank capacity is 6,666 liters. It has two general seats. Its exterior length is about 60 feet. This jet has 11 weapon stations, which include two additional wing store stations and support a full range of armaments: air-to-air missiles, air-to-ground guided weapons. The aircraft can carry the GPS internally guided JDAM. It has switchable firing rate of 4,000 or 6,000 shots a minute and a fully integrated link-less ammunition feed system. The structural changes to the airframe on this variant of the aircraft increase the internal fuel capacity by 33%, higher fuel capacity than the F-18C or D variant. This extends the mission radius by up to 40%. Okay friends, this was F-18. We will meet in our next video soon.